Hindi ko sila kilala. I don't know them. Ayaw ko silang makita. I don't want to see them. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. This is what I am telling them. Gusto kong makita nila ito. I want them to see this. Hindi ko talaga maalala ang nangyari. I really can't remember what happened. Gusto mo ba talagang malaman? Do you really want to know? Hindi ko talaga maunawaan ang nangyayari. I really don't understand what's happening. Mabuti talaga siyang tao. He's really a nice person. Sa iyo ito. This is yours. Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Gawin natin ito. Let's do this. Hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. I don't know what to say. Hayaan mo silang magsalita. Let them talk. Pwede ko bang hiramin ito? Can I borrow this? Ginawa mo ba ito? Did you do this? Hayaan mo akong manatili. Let me stay.